Hey guys, Francesco from Milton Stone. Hope everybody's good this beautiful Friday. So we started this beautiful project, and behind me here, just finished compacting the ground. Everything is nice and solid, so as you could see here behind me. So we got a nice, we got a little bridge here. It's a nice construction. It's gonna be a river stream flowing from down there. I don't know if you see it right here. So water will pass beneath the walkway and come out from the bottom. That's it, guys. It's gonna be a nice little bridge down there. Got our rebars into the house. So yeah, guys, I just finished compacting it. Check this out. I don't know if you could see anything. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm a little blinded by the light. Blinded by the light. So that's it, guys. This is the project. Looking forward and showing you guys the end results. All right, we just started this yesterday. We already got this entire area dug it out 18 inches, compacted the gravel every 6 inches, guys. It's very important for you guys out there. If you're in the landscaping interlocking business, compact your gravel every 6 inches, guys. If you're gonna put 12 inches of gravel, try to compact it every 4 inches. Add another 4 inches, compact it again, and so on and so on. So looking forward and showing you guys the end result. This is it here. We got a beautiful entrance, beautiful home, very nice client, lovely gentleman. Concrete behind us, guys. About to pour concrete. It's my favorite part right now. All the preparation has been done, and we're gonna pour concrete right there. I'll show you guys what it looks like once we advance a little bit, alright? It's the construction life of a businessman, guys. You know what I mean? That's how we do it over here. We don't play games over here, guys. And so we just finished pouring the slab behind me here. I don't know if you could see it or not. Where the hell is it? There it is. So we got this concrete poured. It's looking good. Let the water leak now, let the water rise up, and we'll just smooth everything out. So that's it, guys. The forms were solid. Building a bridge, guys, got to be done well, you know what I'm saying? That's it, guys. I'll show you how it goes real soon. There's a little progress on our walkway over our little bridge. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. You guys like it? It's looking good. This level, what do you think? Is that straight enough for you guys? I think so, eh?
Same place over there.
Beautiful. Yeah, same place. Alright, guys. Beautiful. Other wall entrance that we created. It's looking good, looking good. Here, 2 minutes.